This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have a Sharepoint site URL and at least read access to the list. Open Power BI Desktop and choose Get Data, then select SharePoint Online List so Power BI can enumerate lists. Enter the site root URL, not the list URL, and pick the appropriate authentication, usually OAuth or Windows. Once done, Power BI shows available lists. Make sure to pick the exact list name you want and preview the data before loading it into the model. You now transform the data in Power Query to make it analysis ready. Remove unnecessary columns and filter out system rows. Expand lookup and person fields to expose the actual values. Convert column data types appropriately, rename columns for clarity, and add calculated columns or measures when required for reporting. Once your queries are clean, choose whether to load to the model for a cached dataset or set the query to direct query to keep it live. This decision affects refresh behavior. You finish by publishing the report to Power BI service and configuring refresh settings if you imported the data. In the service, update dataset credentials to match your authentication method, then run a manual refresh to confirm everything works. If something fails, check permissions first, ensure you use the site root URL, inspect problematic columns for unsupported data types, and consider splitting very large lists. If issues persist, switch to direct query or apply pagination and incremental refresh to handle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.